What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel, and today I've gone to the dark side. Alright, in all reality though, I got a new toy for Christmas and I'm super excited to try it out. Before we do that, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Hopefully 2018 brings you everything you hope for. Let's get this project started. using my CNC Piranha XL was a lot of fun. I am excited to incorporate it into my shop. I can't wait to see just how many projects I can incorporate with this thing. It's not gonna it's not gonna replace, you know, most of the machines in my shop. It's going to be in addition to. So I know there are people who love CNC. I know there are people who hate CNC. Originally, I was on the train that said, you know, CNCs don't have a place in my shop. But after looking at what I've been getting into woodworking wise, and getting, you know, just looking at the possibilities it could afford me, I did decide to break down and get the Piranha XL. Right over here I have the finished sign. It's just a small cutout of my logo. I had a couple small issues. The saw blade up here, I was a little off in my measurements, so it cut a little bit off the top here. And then the A didn't quite go all the way through, but that's not too bad. And then I don't know if you guys can see it, but the N, this portion here didn't quite go all the way down. I don't know if that's because it was the kind of bit that I used, or what the issue was. I'm still trying to learn the Vectric program. When I was working on this sign in Vectric, I initially tried to use a 60-degree V-groove bit, and it would have been fine for the most part, but in this section here it would have cut all the way through, so that's why I didn't go with the V bit. I just went with a straight 1/8 inch end mill bit. This was a great first project that I'm excited for. I'll definitely be making a much nicer, bigger shop sign in the future at some point. But overall, I'm super excited with how this one came out, considering it was one of my first projects. I can't wait to get further into Vectric and further into the programming and see what comes through this. And I'm excited to have this machine in my shop. I can't say it enough. You know, it is what it is. I'm excited for it. I know I've said it 100 times, but I really am. I'm excited for it. But I think that's about all we have for today. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends, hit that bell right below this video here, so you don't miss another video. You'll get the notifications, and we'll see you next time.